Hey everybody, Rob here. So, I know what you all are thinking, okay? Where's the Techno Birds episode? I know. Listen, you guys have been hitting up my Facebook and hitting up Twitter non-stop asking me about that episode. So, here's the deal. Zabe actually ordered that we destroy all evidence of it. She really hated it. But, you know what? I think that the time has come for you all to see it, and little does she know, I have one of the only remaining copies of this show. So, ladies and gentlemen, I bring you Techno Birds.